Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Kabir Considers. In this video, I'm going to react to an F16 scrambling to intercept a Russian fighter jet. Now, this is going to be fun. I recently watched the new Top Gun movie and it was fantastic. Honestly, it was probably the best action film I've seen this year. I got to take off my cap to Tom Cruise. Even at 60, he's making quality movies. And this kind of is going to remind me, I'm hoping, just show me a bit of like is it as cool as it looks in the movies? You know, the whole suiting up, doing the job. What does an actual pilot in the army do? Like, so this is a real scenario. I'm hoping we're going to see some cool action shots. To be honest, I don't know what to expect, but it should be fun. Let's do it. Wow. They're moving fast. I wonder how long they have to get ready. Like, it's got to be minutes, right? Okay, doing checks on the plane, making sure everything is as it should be. It's crazy. So those are actual real missiles. They look like part of the plane, if you know what I mean. Like, you know, it's hard to imagine that those things can be fired off and will explode on someone or something. These guys are hauling ass, as you guys would say in the States.
Scramble.
So I'm guessing the Russian jet fighter has been caught in US airspace. Like, even though the F16 is a few, I think it's like 40 years old, something like that, it's still a good looking plane. Last minute checks. And off he goes. How fast does an M16 go? I'm guessing Mach 3. Yeah, Mach 3. So about 2,000 miles an hour top speed. Something like that. I think that's what they flew in the Top Gun movie. F-16s or F-18s? I think it was F-16s. I wonder what those things are in the bags. His helmet, maybe.
Good.
That helmet looks pretty tight, very snug. It sounds like Even the sound of it just, you know, starting the engines and this sound here sounds really cool. That whirring sound, like. So that means take off, I'm guessing. I've seen it before in another video. The pilots, are they allowed to drink? Because if they could be called upon at any moment, they've got to be sober, right? But surely they're not allowed to fly after having a drink, are they? Is that a missile? It's huge. Looks like it. Or some kind of torpedo or something. Look at that one. Look at the colour on it. That dark gunmetal grey. Or is it just a shadow that's making it look so dark? I'd love to see one of these in black. Like just all black. Refueling. Looks like a fuel table. Imagine if the pilot just took off while those guys are still working underneath it. Oh, the pilot's probably not in the plane. Specific job to do, just organised. Yeah, that's a fuel for sure. Wouldn't want to be hit by one of those things. I'd love to see a similar video to this, but with an F16. Because that for me is probably the best looking sight. maybe ever, honestly, in terms of like the modern ones. The Spitfire is obviously a great little brand too, but that's like a more retro design. And there she goes. Super cool video, super cool. Very cool video, honestly. It's great to see these guys in action, to what really goes down. Obviously, a lot of the stuff is confidential, classified, but just seeing these few shots here and there are really, really interesting. Like, the military is obviously such a smooth running thing. Everyone has their duty, their job that's drilled into them. Everything runs smooth, or usually runs smooth. I'm sure there are moments where things can get a bit jittery and stuff, but it's a well-oiled and well-cogged machine. And yeah, just really, really cool to see these guys in action. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.